top 10 car brands with the longest lasting engines. Number 10, Volvo. Built for endurance, many Volvos easily pass 400,000 kilometers. Number 9, Ford. Their series trucks and older engines are known to run beyond 450 kilometers. Number 8, Chevrolet. Strong V8 and dependable trucks often run over like 480,000 kilometers, according to research. Number 7, Nissan. Proven reliability easily, especially in engines like the VQ series, lasting around like 500,000 kilometers and more. Number 6, this one is always in the top 10, Hyundai. Modern Hyundai engines now rival Japanese brands, lasting over 500,000 kilometers with good maintenance. Number 5, Subaru, famous for its boxer engines that stay strong past 400 to 500,000 kilometers. Number 4, Lexus, Toyota's luxury brand known for silky smooth engines exceeding 500,000 kilometers. Now for the top 3. Number 3, Honda. Civics, Accords, and CRVs frequently pass 500,000 kilometers with ease. Number 2, Toyota. A benchmark in reliability. Many Toyotas run over 600,000 kilometers easily. Now for the top 1. Number 1, dog. You're gonna have to do me a favor. I got a fresh cut. I'm doing this content shit. Like, comment, subscribe for the algorithm. So the number 1. And don't forget to share. Okay. So are you ready? Take a guess. Number 1. It's a Mercedes Benz. They easily surpass 800,000 kilometers. 800,000 kilometers, dog, on an engine. Woo.